This year I filed my taxes through Cash App Taxes. So this is a short review of my experience using Cash App Taxes for the state side. And this is the main reason why I'm using this is because I wanted to file online for free. And Cash App Taxes does offer free online submission for both IRS, federal, and state. The bad thing about using this app is you have to first install the app on your phone, but afterwards you can actually file your taxes through your desktop computer, which is what I did. The using Cash App Taxes is similar to using TurboTax, just a little more difficult. I thought that doing my capital gains tax was a little difficult, and so I just wanted to mention that. But in terms of online submission and everything that was displayed, it went by pretty smooth. And so this is my experience with my state taxes. I filed my state taxes on the 13th. This app here mentioned after an hour that my taxes were accepted by the state of California. So I went onto the refund website, and this is all linked through Cash App Taxes. I just clicked to check your status. Takes me here, which I checked my refund, and unfortunately, even though Cash App Taxes said my state taxes were accepted an hour later, which is fast, the FTB website for California said it couldn't find my status. So, I waited. I checked a day later, and it did show a received in process state. Sorry, this is just for informational purposes. This isn't exactly what you'll see in terms of the text below here. But the image here is what I saw. I saw that it was received in processing. And it mentioned that, on the 14th, I checked this on the 14th, so a day later, it said that my taxes were indeed accepted on the 13th, according to Cash App Taxes. So then the next day, I again checked my tax refund status, and then it showed that it was issued or authorized. This one is actually the webpage where it says your refund was authorized on the 14th, and you'll receive a direct deposit in 10 days. So this is really fast for me using Cash App Taxes. I'm used to waiting 3 to 4 weeks to get my refund by paper, or even longer. So hopefully I'll receive my refund soon, like within a week. And so this is a very smooth process. Again, using Cash App Taxes would be really difficult using the app online. But I used, once I set up my account using my phone or my tablet, I could use the tax website using a desktop browser, which I did. It wasn't too difficult. A little more difficult than TurboTax. That's my limited opinion. Again, it only took me a day to get my refund authorized, and now I'm just waiting for the actual direct deposit, which should happen in 10 days. I only found out about Cash App Taxes through the California franchise website, and they have CalFile, but I can't use CalFile because I'd mentioned earlier that I have some capital gains, and that negates me from using CalFile, as well as there's some income requirements. They mentioned these other apps that you can use, and it actually lists Cash App Taxes as the first one, so that's why I tried it. And so for me, again, this was completely free. The process was very fast, and filling out the forms was relatively, similar to TurboTax, but a little more difficult. And that's it. Again, I'm pretty happy with the whole process, and I just wanted to make a video review of it so that in case if someone's curious about it, this is legit for doing your California state taxes. And also, one service they offer is if you do run into issues after filing your taxes, they have a phone number or an email that you can contact them. And so they have a service to help you with any problems that might after the process, similar to, like I'm guessing TurboTax has that also. But again, I'm giving this 2 thumbs up so far, and hopefully I get my direct deposit soon. But I just want to mention this is one way to file taxes for free, and for me it was completely free. I haven't seen any fees or anything, so hopefully there's nothing hidden. But so far that's my initial review. Anyways, over and out.